Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 18. I'm really excited because today I'm going to be checking out the Illumination show over at Morton Arboretum. I've gone to it in at least 1 year in the past, and it's a really pretty interesting display. You get to wander all around Morton Arboretum at night, see all the lights, because it gets pretty dark early, so this isn't a very good time of year to really go hang out unless you happen to have a day off during the week. So it's nice to be able to enjoy the facility in the evening. So we'll be going along to that. But for now, we're going to start off with, as we usually do, the Dr. Barbara Sturm Advent Calendar. I can't wait to see what's in store. We're rapidly running out of days over here, so it's getting a lot easier to find them. Over here, with the Net-a-Porter and the drawers, it's still a little challenging because I'm not taking them out and leaving them out. But here we're getting pretty easy. One day, 22 is down there. Oh, so we have another serum. We have the calming serum today. This is one of my favorites. I did get to try this last year when I purchased the winter kit. So I love this, especially if I've done something a little crazy, been outside at, say illuminations in the evening and it's winter and it's a little chilly. Or if I've overexfoliated or just done something where I'm like, my skin's a little more irritated. This is lovely, does a great job of calming it down, just as advertised. So nice to have a top up of that. All right, let's go over to 18. Hopefully we get a different size box today. Nope, not today. Same medium size box. This one weighs a little more though. Oh, we have another Amora Visca product. Balancing Moisturizer. Oh, this should go really well with the calming serum. Balancing Moisturizer. This is a nice size too. This is a whole ounce. Oh, this is a full size. That's great. Awesome. I wonder if this smells like anything. Sometimes their products have this lovely scent, like kind of a rose scent. Very light lavender fragrance. I know some people have a hard time with fragrance. Well, this one doesn't claim calming, this one's balancing, but still. Lavender is not always my favorite, but it's very faint, and usually these sorts of things fade pretty quickly when it's in skincare. Awesome, well that's a great day as well. I feel like the days are kind of building and getting a little bit better. And I will see you guys live and in person, out and about at Morton Arboretum. See you later. Hey guys. All right, so I made it to Morton Arboretum. I'm going to go inside the Illumination and see what's going on. It's not too cold outside, so I'm very grateful for that. I think we're still in the low 30s, and the wind it's not too bad. There's a bit of a breeze, but we're prepared. We've got like the hat with the ear things. We've got our like fingerless mittens. We're ready for the cold. We have a lot of layers. It's gonna be a good time. I can't wait to take you guys with me. about the hat hair. I'm inside now, just got done wandering around the entire loop for the Illumination show. It was really beautiful. Some of the things were still the same as from last year, but it was just as delightful to see. It's really pretty. And there was a little bit of atmosphere. It wasn't quite snow, but it was rain that I feel like was starting to think about becoming snow. So I don't know if some of that came across in the footage. I tried to protect my camera a little bit, so I rushed through a bit, but I tried to get a little bit of footage with my iPhone because that is waterproof, so we'll see if some of that turned out. Yeah, it was a lovely walk in spite of the rain. It wasn't too cold, so it was nice. If you are in the Chicagoland area, definitely recommend checking it out. December is never too cold. Well, okay, I shouldn't say never. Last year, it was a little chilly. But if you dress in layers, then you should be all right. And it's a lovely, lovely event. It's a wonderful cause to support, too, because the money is being raised to help support the Arboretum. They have lots of different programs throughout the year. I've attended an art and wine walk in the summertime, so keep an eye out for various events throughout the year. But Illuminations is one of the highlights of my favorite events to attend here. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this little adventure, and I hope you had some fun. I'll see you guys tomorrow.